Once you have created your site, now we need to name your Google site. And so there are some places that we need to make sure we have some names in there. So if we take a look at this image, we can see that there are 3 places where we are going to want to name our site. So the very first place is up at the very top left beside the Google Sites icon. This is going to be where we have our file name that shows up in our Google Drive. Up here, I'm going to type Sustainable Development Goals in PRPS. So that's a pretty long one. And that's what's going to show up in my Google Drive. Now, up here, this spot right here is what's going to show up actually in the website web address itself once we publish it. So typically we want this to be a little bit shorter. So I'm going to call this SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals, in PRPS. And then finally, this part right here, this will be different on every page of our website, or it could be the same, but we can change it. So I'm going to call this Sustainable Development Goals in PRPS. That will be the names of my website.